Let's talk about your pension. I think a lot of teachers underestimate how powerful the pension is. Now, admittedly, it's kind of a dying breed. A lot of states are trying to phase it out. In Michigan here, newer teachers, they have a couple plans they can choose from. If they choose the pension plan, they cannot get it until age 60. So however long they want to teach, if they retire earlier than 60, they've got to wait however many years. So that's newer. But for those of us kind of my age, you can get it right away and it lasts a lifetime. As long as you are breathing, you get paid every single month. So that's awesome. Now, let's kind of compare it to a traditional 401k in the business world, right? You spend your whole career building up this nest egg. You retire, let's just say at age 55, and however much money you've amassed in this nest egg, you could take payments every month or however you want to do it, and it lasts as long as it lasts. So whether you have 600,000, 800,000, or a million, whatever you've saved up, that's your retirement. And that's why some people have to work longer because they say, I got to build up this nest egg. With teachers, we don't have this massive snowball the last day of school. We get a smaller amount each month for the rest of your life. So I threw out the $1 million figure. That's like what everybody talks about. Do you have $1 million in your retirement? Many teachers do. And again, I just use super round numbers for this. Let's say your pension is $3,000 a month, okay? Just nice round number. Could be higher, could be lower. If you are retired for 30 years and you get paid $3,000 a month, that is $1 million. So, and again, as long as you're breathing, you are getting paid. You might have a longer retirement. I mean, obviously nobody knows, when they're going to pass away, but so it ends up being potentially a massive amount of money. It's just not up front. So you need to think about your pension. You need to calculate your pension and kind of figure out what you need to do. Most teachers, 99% of teachers, also have retirement accounts that supplement their pension. So, but the pension by itself is a beautiful thing. Again, they're trying to get rid of it. So it's, those of us that are kind of grandfathered in, we have it for the rest of our lives, but they're coming after it and trying to make schools more like businesses where you just invest in a 401k type program and you're on your own. So think about how you can add to your pension while you are still working to make it even more as you're in your years of retirement. Think about that. Much more to come.